Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Hey guys, it's the Bombay Chef Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'm making something simple, spicy and egg based which is from the south of India. I'm making Egg Thokku. Let's begin. First things first is of course to heat a pan on high flame, and to this I'm adding in oil. While you can also use ghee, but oil is preferred. While the oil is heating up, let me quickly introduce you to a few pre-preparatory things that need to be done. The first one is fresh tomatoes ground into puree. The second one is a cupful of sliced onions. And the third one is hard-boiled eggs. Well, in the description box below, click on the link. There is a detailed method that shows you how to cook eggs different ways. Click on that, follow that to the T, and that will lead you to hard-boiled eggs. For now, let's come back. Oil is heated on high flame. First thing that goes in is fennel, because this has a very prominent taste and flavor of fennel seeds. Followed up with a stick of cinnamon. Allow this to kind of crackle on high flame. Once that's done, we'll add in chilies. Now chilies, I'm using the ones that are mild in flavor, but of course you can use the ones that are spicy as well. To this, I'm going to add in lots. When I say lots, I really mean it. Lots of curry leaves, because that flavor is going to be absolutely stunning and unique. To this, red onions, which are sliced. Toss this on high flame. Allow the onions to just kind of begin turning golden brown in color. When I say begin, I just mean it. Just a little golden brown on the sides, and that would be perfect. If you watch carefully, the onions have just kind of begun to turn golden brown in color, and partly they're also translucent. At this stage, I'm going to add in paste of ginger and garlic, which is fresh. Give it a mix on high flame, of course, for the raw flavor to kind of go off. Once that is done, I'm going to add in the powder spices. Basic 3 spices, beginning with turmeric powder, red chili powder. Considering the fact that chilies are already in the recipe, you can adjust of course to your personal preference. And with this, Garam Masala. Well, you can also add in a heaped tablespoon of coriander powder, but that's again a complete personal choice. Mix this well on high flame, and to this we're going to add in the freshly crushed tomatoes or tomato puree. Well, what you can also do is grate the tomatoes so that the skin is kind of taken off. That's also good. Mix this well on high flame. At this stage, I'm going to add in salt as required and allow the masala to cook on high flame till the oil kind of starts releasing the sides. Our masala for the thokku is done and ready. The next thing that goes into this are the hard-boiled eggs. Let's just cut these into quarters. You can also cut this or slice this. That's a complete personal choice. Or you can just cut it into half, and that's also perfect. One quick toss, and with this our egg thokku is done and ready, and this straight goes on the dinner table. With this, egg thokku is done and ready, and trust me, because it's spicy, it goes amazingly well with Malabari paratha, chapati, or even a pav for that matter. On that note, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Get Curried, and for more such recipes, stay tuned.